Hey everyone! Halloween might be over, but I've still got some spooky prints to show you. I 3D printed 5 awesome Halloween keychains, each one designed by amazing creators. You can find all the models in my Printables collections. Links below. Loving these prints? Don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more cool 3D projects coming up. That's all 5 Halloween keychains, and I had so much fun printing these. You can check them all out in my Printables collections. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next print.